back with this little 560 I've just fitted this new keyboard to. I'm not going to muck around, I'm going to get straight into it, get this hard drive formatted. It's got some weird stuff sitting on it. I could not get the product key to work for Windows 95, so yeah, just get some drivers and stuff for this thing and get a fresh build of Windows 3.1. The machine only has 8 megs of RAM. It's not particularly fast CPU, so either Windows 95 or 3.11 seems to be fine. God, all the discs I've got around me. So on that website, here are my discs. Very colourful. There's all the drivers. In the manual for setting up 311, there was a note to install with the IBM option. So I'll do that once we get the last DOS 6.2 disk in there. Oh, sorry. There we go. MS-DOS loaded. So now I have to get going with this. Disk 1 of like 8. Okay. So it turns out all I need to do is select the custom setup. Cool. And here there should be an option to use MS-DOS system with APM. Display. I am going to put the red disk in to the display drivers. manual states to do this during this part. I'm sure I can do it in any, but you know, why not? Cool. 16 million colors. I want it full res. The screen's 800 by 600, so yeah, we'll do that. I'm gonna try this one just for now. Cool. Language, English, or English International, US keyboard, Microsoft mouse, blah 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 blah. Cool. Accept. Okay, I'm gonna put Mitchell, home. I don't have the product number. Set up only components. I don't have any of those. For the printers. Cool. Alright, we'll let it roll along here. I always like this part of this setup. Yeah, it just looks cool. And we don't have any networking. I should have just done 3.1 without the work groups. And some stuff. Let's just do it all, whatever. Skip the tutorial. Restart. And there it is. So now I just get to go through and just start installing drivers, really. Everything's on these floppies. It's infrared. And go through. Got the mixer, volume itself. Cool. Hey, it detects Sound Blaster. Awesome. That's pretty cool. It's like every computer that I've got can't do Sound Blaster. So it's pretty neat that this thing just sort of natively does it. Oops. I'll try another. need a mouse driver. No. I forgot about that. Oh my god. How did anyone play this with a keyboard? I mean, yeah. It's running off the floppy, that's pretty cool. Oh my god. I need to turn that speaker down. It's pretty nifty though. It's a pretty incredible game. I think this is the shareware version that it fits on the floppy. I don't know. I've had these discs for like 15 years. I never actually really played it. Okay, this one here is this clone. It was great. I mean, oops, for what it was, what it allowed you to do was just play Mario off a floppy disk, which computers that we used to run at school were not capable of. You know, they didn't have CD-ROM drives, they just had the 3.5-inch floppy disk. Actually, if I quit and open it back up, there's a hidden life. I think it's a run out this tree. Ah, no. Fail. I think it's just above there, so you can't obviously get there. Go down. It's a really cool game. It's basic, but it's really fun. There's no, it's just PC speakers, no ad-lib or Sound Blaster stuff. That's an evil blue guy. Oops. Oops. Yeah, it's a really cool game. I'll just go to the exit. Cool. And yeah, that's it for this wee machine. I've got Windows 3.11 set up. Everything else is working. Got sound. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. So glad the keyboard works. I'm sure there will be other things I can do with this machine. Looks like I've got some battery stuff. Yeah, heaps of other things. I have no idea how any of this works. Hard disk timer. LCD. Yeah, I might just stop clicking on stuff before I, you know, break it. These must be your profiles. But yeah, I'm undecided if I'll leave Windows 3.11 on there. or put Windows 95, but hey, at least now it works, so yeah. Anyway, that's it for this. I'm going to clean up all my discs and things that I've made, stuff. Yep. These projects always end up being, you know, pretty long with all the stuff that you have to do with them. But yeah, thanks guys. I'll catch you guys later.